How to change table layout on TouchBistro. A quick guide. Have you ever found yourself struggling to manage a bustling restaurant, only to realize your table layout wasn't optimized for the night? It's a common problem, but don't worry. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of TouchBistro and learn how to effortlessly adjust your table layout to suit any occasion. Imagine you're hosting a private party and need to create a dedicated space for the guests of honor. Or perhaps you're expecting a large group and want to combine tables to accommodate them. Whatever the situation, TouchBistro has got you covered. With a few simple steps, you can rearrange your tables to match the specific needs of your restaurant. Step-by-step guide. Accessing the table layout. Log in. Begin by logging into your TouchBistro account. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu. Find Table Layout. Within the Settings menu, you should find an option labeled Table Layout or something similar. Click on it. Viewing the current layout. Visualize. The table layout screen will display a graphical representation of your current seating arrangement. Each table will be represented by a shape, and you should be able to see their positions relative to each other. Making changes. Drag and drop. To move a table, simply click on it and drag it to its desired location. You'll notice that the table will snap into place when it aligns with the grid. Resize tables. If you need to adjust the size of a table, look for a resizing handle, usually a small square, on the corners or edges of the table. Click and drag the handle to enlarge or reduce the table's dimensions. Add or remove tables. To add a new table, click on the Add Table button, if available. To remove a table, simply click on it and press the Delete key. Saving the new layout. Confirm changes. Once you're satisfied with the new arrangement, make sure to save your changes. This will ensure that the updated layout is applied to your TouchBistro system. Additional tips. Utilize grid lines. The grid lines on the table layout screen can be a helpful visual aid. They can help you maintain consistency and ensure that tables are aligned properly. Consider table shapes. Depending on your restaurant's layout, you may have different table shapes, e.g., round, square, rectangular. Be mindful of the shapes when rearranging tables to ensure they fit together seamlessly. Optimize for workflow. Think about your staff's workflow when designing your table layout. Consider factors such as traffic flow, accessibility, and the efficiency of serving food and drinks. Changing the table layout on TouchBistro doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and easily create a seating arrangement that suits your restaurant's needs. Whether you're hosting a special event or simply looking to improve your restaurant's efficiency, adjusting your table layout can make a significant difference. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy TouchBistro and